Hi lovely unicorns, I'm back with another video on how to remove my makeup at night or a nighttime routine. So what we're going to start off doing is taking off the eyelashes. If you want, you can use a cleanser wipe or something to make your eyes a little bit moist before taking them off, before ripping off your eyelashes. What I'm going to use is my cleansing brush that I use, my Glam Glow cleansing facial wash. I didn't have any makeup wipe removers, so I just went ham on the cleansing gel and just washed my face. As you can see, make sure you pull your hair back, don't want your hair all messy. Make sure you don't get the soap in your eye, you don't want your eyes burning. Oh, didn't even put the soap on yet, so go ahead and wet my face first, and then I went and put a good size amount on my brush and just used my brush to cleanse my face. And you're gonna rinse off your face. As you can see, I do have some more makeup on my eyelids, so I'm going in with my scrubber cleanser. It has little rocks in it, so it'll get deep down in my pores and scrub off all the excess makeup I do have on my face. As you can see, all the excess makeup that was on my cleansing brush. Go in with my fingers and scrub those eyelids a little bit. Be careful, don't want to get in your eye, but make sure you scrub around under your eyelids and rinse off your face. Definitely a workout. Make sure you get all that hairline. And then I'm just going with my towel and getting off the excess cleansing soap. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my eyelashes. I believe I haven't washed them in like a couple of weeks or so. I just reuse them. So get my cleansing soap that I use to take off my makeup and just wet those a little bit and just rub them together. I will have probably another short detailed video on how I deep clean my eyelashes, but right here it's just a quick small deep cleaning on my eyelashes. Okay, make sure the face is all dry, and I am going in with my Holy Grail oil. It is a body oil, but I use it on my face. Since I've been using this on my face, I've realized that some bumps has disappeared, and my skin tone is a lot clearer. I don't have those bad acne scars, I guess you can say, or dark marks on my face. They have been clearing up lately, so I use this on my face. It does have, I believe, chamomile and lavender, so it's perfect. I do have a combination of oily skin to dry skin during the winter time, very oily in the summertime. So it controlled that over, I believe, a month or so. So now I'm going in with my Q-tip and just cleaning all my piercings. Going with some antibacterial soap I had next to me and just going around and cleaning both of my piercings. They are fairly new. One is 2 months old and the other one is probably right then was a week or so old. So just cleaning that. I'm all done. Thank you. Bye. Going to sleep.